Hello, Prairie View team.
Hello.
Hello. It's the end of November. We've been celebrating gratitude this month, and we decided that we want to end right before the Thanksgiving season to thank all of you for everything you do for us and to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We're truly blessed to have you here at Prairie View. And
We know that it is the gift giving season, and we appreciate lots of gifts from you throughout the year. We are gifted every day by the support and gratitude that you have for your families and students. Therefore, we are giving you permission to not buy us anything this season.
yes, we know that you appreciate us. We know that you are very generous people, but we would rather you spend the money on yourselves this season. So we are letting you know that, again, you have permission to just show your love to us through your words and your presence every day. And we have some ideas on how you could spend the money on yourself to show yourself some love this holiday season.
The first one would be a delicious cup of coffee.
My favorite. But I also do enjoy those mom beverages that you like to drink, or adult beverages of your choice. That'd be a great way to spend money.
Or we do still buy books or magazines to enjoy and take ourselves away.
They're great in the bathtub.
Yes. Yes.
Cozy mittens. It's going to be cold this season. I think everyone needs a new pair of cozy mittens.
And there's an app for that. You could buy an app for yourself or a loved one.
Also, a lot of you really enjoy fresh flowers, so you could buy yourself a plant or a bouquet of flowers to have this holiday season.
Or a pair of warm, fuzzy socks to keep your feet warm on these cold Minnesota days and nights.
And there's a lot of salt on the roads in the winter. A car wash would be great for all of you.
Great ideas, Carrie. What else do we have planned for this month?
Yes. So we have some holiday happenings we're going to share with you. You'll see all of this on Monday morning. We have lots of plans for the holidays with the help of a lot of people. On December 2nd, you will be able to check out in your box a treat from Nicole and me. That's going to kick off the holiday season.
On the 9th through the 19th, there will be Santa Bingo hosted by Katie J. and Brenna.
Very excited about that one.
Yes, me too.
On December 9th, Nicole and I will be providing holiday snacks all day in the multi-purpose room. We've got lots of plans for those.
Yes. And then December 12th, one of Carrie's favorite is Jolly Ball, aka Volleyball, hosted by our FIA department from 7:30 until 8 in gym 1 and 2.
Yes, and I think that day folks should also wear their comfy clothes.
For sure.
And then on December 13th, our PAC is going to provide popcorn all day in the lounge. So you can snack all day on yummy popcorn.
And then our Culture and Celebrations Committee has come up with a lot of different activities. What's the first one?
We've got the Holiday Sock Day on the 16th, Holiday Sweater Day on the 17th, Holiday Accessory Day on the 18th, and the 19th is the Holiday Red and Green Day. And that evening, Ben is working on a staff gathering for after school.
And December 20th is all the holiday fun.
Boom.
We start by wearing our PJs to work. Appropriate.
Yes, and then the Culture and Celebrations Committee will be hosting a holiday beverage bar in the multi-purpose room for the day.
And then we will join ourselves at 7:50. We'll meet the students in the living room and welcome them with some songs.
Yes. And then because we know our elementary teachers will still have lots of energy after that fun holiday, at 2 o'clock, we're going to do an all K through 5 sing-along. Yeah. Oh, and Student Council is hosting every Friday during the month of December. It's Hat Day to make money for our local community for the holidays. And so we've just got lots of stuff going on. Yeah.
Well, thank you to everybody and enjoy the week.
Yes. Happy holidays.